Straight up, this is what you're gonna get when you unbox the Adams wheel stand. So it looks like tools, bolts, block washers, probably the things they're gonna stand on, nuts, some more bolts. We'll go ahead, I'm just gonna take everything out and then take all this bubble wrap off and then show y'all how it looks. Alright, so right out the gate, this is how it's looking. This is the end result, hopefully. We'll see how long this takes me because it's gonna be a pain in my butt. But it doesn't look like it's too many parts to put together. So whenever you order this wheel stand, this is all the main parts that you're gonna get, so nothing crazy. So I guess right here, I can have a close-up look at how it's gonna be all assembled. And I'm just gonna show y'all, I mean, it's not that hard to do, it looks like. I'll try and time lapse it, and if I have any trouble on any part of this, then I'll go ahead and stop the video or stop the time lapse so y'all can see what's going on. And I'm not gonna lie, before I ordered this, I was hoping I could do it with bigger wheels, but apparently it only goes up to 22s, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, let's get this going. First step, I guess, would be these braces are gonna go in between these two brackets. So it's gonna look like that. And then the rollers are gonna go on top here. Now, obviously I'm not assembling it right now, but just to give you an idea of what's going on. I really am hoping that I can do 24s and 26s, maybe even 28s on here, but I guess we'll have to see. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with doing these bumpers first. Or not the bumpers, but I guess rubber stands underneath these main brackets here. And that way I can just not worry about that anymore. So I'm gonna start with that. Same thing, just to show y'all if I can see here better. Stud going through. Finger tight. Get your Allen key because it's gonna spin. Alright, if you're curious, I'm going to use a 10 and a 14. The 14 is kind of loose, but I'm just going to use it. I can't find another standard that works on it. I could just be dumb too, so keep that in mind. Yeah, this is the mold right here. If you got ratchet wrenches, you'll be set. Assemble. Man, what the hell? Freaking top just popped off. I don't know what they're wanting me to do, man. My nut is nowhere near being tight. And the freaking top hat just came off. Okay, so I guess when you're tightening these, just don't tighten them down like crazy. Just do them loose because look, same thing's happening to mine. The bottom one was fine, but I did that by hand. So whatever. Hopefully you don't get bolts like this. It has like, I don't know, a piece of metal on there. This one's already trash. It's not looking good, Adams. It's not looking good. Cool. Do the same thing on this side, and then when I finish this side, I'll drop it down to the other. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with. So straight up, like, I don't know if y'all can see from that angle, but this one is supposed to be like this. It's currently like that. Same thing with this one, it's supposed to be straight like this, straight across. bent a little that way. I don't know, maybe that's for the load or something. That's like to offset the load of the wheel. Yeah, it's not looking too good. Rollers, it's just going to be the Allen key bolts, the thicker ones. Just the bolts by itself, no lock washers or anything. It looks like the last part is the red piece that brings it all together. Same thing as these braces here, bolt to the back. Lock washer. Put one on just to get it snug. Like I was saying, I don't know what the hell's going on over there, but this either needs to be updated and they need to figure out what's going on with their bolts. QC, because half of these bolts I couldn't even use or keep as spares or anything like that. That's how she looks. Yep, this is it. And like I said, if y'all know what this does, I guess that's for like lower, for bigger wheels or smaller wheels. I can't imagine also that I can't fit a 24 on here, but we'll see. That was my main thing. Unless the only way I could fit 24s on here is without a tire. But who knows? I haven't seen. I wonder if they even make like extensions for it, or if I would have to get an extension. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So obviously this is from me, but like, I mean, it's gonna be used. The wheel stand will be used, but damn, like, that couldn't. Like, paint that. This was not me. This is how it came. I'm not sure how much wheel stands go for, but this was $170. I don't know if that's really cheap or medium or expensive. But yeah, I didn't like the fact that a lot of these bolts, like you see this one, the threads are messed up already. I haven't even used it. This one blew off the top hat if you tighten it too much. Yeah, which I mean, I get this one could be me, but it wasn't even getting, it was still loose like y'all were seeing in the video, and it just popped off. Would y'all buy this wheel stand? Do you have this wheel stand? Has it lasted for you? Does it work well? Not? Let me know. I do detailing as my main thing, and I wanted to do forged wheels and just curb rash repair and polishing. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, if I should keep this one or buy another one, return this one. If y'all even know of a better one, because there was one that I was going to get, but they were built by a guy on YouTube, and he discontinued making them, and he had like better quality. It was a lot more expensive. It was like $300 or $400 for a wheel stand. But if it's better than this, which I mean, I haven't gotten to use it yet, and maybe Adams finds this video somehow and sees they need to update their stuff, but I just expected something more from Adams, especially with the quality of the bolts and not getting your things already chipped up when you get it. So yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and catch you on the next one.